there will be a long-term change in the RV business. Forget about the sound of a diesel engine and the smell of gasoline. The journey of the future will be serene, pure, and creative. The 2026 BYD Motorhome is a state-of-the-art all-electric vehicle that combines cutting-edge technology with contemporary lifestyle. With a powerful, quiet electric drivetrain and a sleek, aerodynamic body designed for maximum efficiency, this is a vision of sustainable adventure. Because it is built on BYD's state-of-the-art e-platform and is powered by their proprietary Blade battery, it has an incredible range. With an estimated range of more than 400 miles, this vehicle is more than just a camper. It's a zero-emission mobile home that can go you farther than you could have ever imagined. At first glance, the cockpit seems less like a campervan and more like a spacecraft. The dashboard, a miracle of simple design, is dominated by the enormous rotating touchscreen display that controls every aspect of the vehicle. Everything, including navigation and climate control, is readily available, simple to use, and fully customizable. A small digital panel behind the steering wheel displays important driving information, and you can manage everything with voice commands and gesture controls without taking your eyes off the road. The result is a tidy, clutter-free space that prioritizes technology and utilization. The BYD Motorhome's living room is the ideal fusion of sophisticated design and practical use. Because the design is so adaptable, you may rearrange the space to fit your needs. To create the perfect atmosphere, the dining table folds up, the sofa swings out to provide extra space, and voice-activated ambient LED lighting changes color. The large panoramic windows let in a plenty of natural light, which makes the cabin feel spacious and inviting. Because each surface is composed of high-quality, eco-friendly materials, style and environmental consciousness may coexist. A quiet bedroom is tucked away in the back. The main bed is a comfortable, portable, full-sized mattress. The surrounding space is designed to be a place of relaxation and features built-in storage that is skillfully hidden to maintain the minimalist aesthetic. Your overnight stay will be unforgettable because to the breathtaking view of the stars provided by the massive skylight above you. It is a tranquil retreat where you may relax and recharge away from the everyday grind. The restroom is a testament to clever engineering, resembling a five-star hotel rather than an RV. It has a modern water-saving shower system, a sleek vanity with a designer sink, and a spotless ceramic toilet. The space is spacious and useful, with integrated lighting and smart ventilation to prevent moisture buildup. The use of durable, high-quality materials makes this space both fashionable and practical for travel. The BYD Motorhome's kitchen is designed for today's chef. The kitchen is cleverly equipped with high-end devices that are powered by the main battery. Included are an electric induction burner, a convection oven, and a large refrigerator with a freezer. The countertop's durable, smooth surface and innovative storage choices provide every pot, pan, and pantry item a place. You may prepare anything here, from a simple snack to a sumptuous feast, with the convenience of a normal home.